Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all again. Second video I'm dropping today, right? Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. You know the drill already. Knock up the like button. You know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. Free and easy ways to support the channel and give the youth them a strength. I do a video earlier and a whole heap of people are coming about the fresh cut. Formula looking sharp, thin. So, we are got more good news, guys. We have to talk about it. More good news. Reggae boy Kemar Roofe, guys, is heading to the final of the Europa League. Yes, people, yes, guys. Reggae boy Kemar Roofe will be in the final of the Europa League with his club, Rangers FC. Rangers today have gotten the better of RB Leipzig, right? Who are probably the favorites going into the tie scene, and Rangers, would have defeated them after losing the first leg. Rangers came back in the second leg that took place at Ibrox, right, at the home of Rangers, the defending Scottish champions, and Rangers would have won the game 3-1 to advance 3-2 to the finals and aggregate. No, Kemar Roofe did not play, right, didn't feature any at all, never started, wasn't on the bench. We know that Kemar Roofe is yet again injured. There are so many reggae boys that have injury concerns and serious injury problems. Honestly, I kind of worry sometimes where that is concerned. There are so many top reggae boys that have serious injury concerns. But guys, more good news today, more positive news today to give you guys, because this is indeed a big deal. I cannot ever recall a reggae boy playing, or a reggae boy being a part of a team that played in a major European cup final. If you guys know of a reggae boy that has done that, hit me up and let me know. Right? That particular player is not coming to my mind at this current time. But guys, this is a big deal. Rangers with Kemar Roofe heading to the final of the Europa League. Kemar Roofe would have scored a big winner against Braga in the second leg of the quarter-final tie that would have gotten Rangers into the semi-final tie. So Kemar Roofe has had his mark for Rangers in the competition. For sure. Hopefully the player is fit, right, and is able to play the final of the Europa League. It would be good to see him on the park. It would be really good to see him on the park, guys. Trust me, really good. Another reggae boy was in the semi-final of the Europa League, right? Mikel Antonio, West Ham's rather, Mikel Antonio, right? They, however, crashed out a 1-0 defeat rather, at the hands of Eintracht Frankfurt. This game would have taken place in Germany. The first leg ended 2-1. Reggae boy Mikel Antonio was on the score sheet in that particular game, right? He scored the equalizer in that particular game, but that tie has unfortunately ended 3-1, in favor of Eintracht Frankfurt. Reggae boy Mikel Antonio crashing out of the Europa League. In the semi-finals, West Ham had a good run. It would have good to have seen both reggae boys squaring off against each other. That way we'd be guaranteed a reggae boy would win the title. But Roofe is the only one that made it. Hopefully he plays in the final. And what I think, if Roofe can replicate his quarter-final winning goal and come up with something special for Rangers in the final, man, that would be a big deal for a reggae boy, man. A big deal. All right. So again, congrats to Rangers, and wishing Kemar Roofe all the best. Hopefully, we can have a reggae boy winning some major European silverware. That would be a big deal in my humble opinion for the country. Then up next, we're gonna talk about big baller Khadija Bunny Shaw. Just start out share some news with you on the women's side of things. Prolific reggae girl Bunny Shaw shortlisted for April's WSL Player of the Month award, right? And that is the headline in Sportsmax, right? Reggae girls Bunny Shaw, Khadija Bunny Shaw, was one of 2 Manchester City players who have been shortlisted for April's FA Women's Super League Player of the Month. She bagged 5 goals in 3 league appearances, including 4 in a 7-2 thrashing of Brighton and Hove Albion. The other Manchester City player up for the award is Caroline Weir, who crafted Bunny's effort against West Ham in a 2-0 triumph, right? Together the pair played key roles as City finished the month with a 100% record with 3 league game wins and a cup semi-final victory over West Ham United. By the way, you guys know Bunny Shaw, you know that whole FA Cup run that Manchester City, has been on, right, where the women's team is concerned. The pair are up against Aston Villa's Rachel Corsi, Chelsea's duo of Jesse Fleming and Sam Kerr, and Arsenal's Beth Mead and Birmingham's Lewis Quinn. Voting closes on May the 6th. I don't know how we can vote, right? But if we can get some votes in for Bunny Shaw and try and help her over the line, that would be good. That would be good. Wishing Reggae Girl striker Bunny Shaw all the best. Hopefully she can win this award. This is a big deal, right? When you have, the women's league over there in England is one of the top women's leagues in the entire world, right? So with that being said, it would be good for a Reggae Girl to win Player of the Month in that respective league, right? And one final short story, right, that I kept on forgetting to share this story with you guys, and it involves another 2 other Reggae girls, in fact, right? Kept on forgetting to share this story, and on your screen you see Tiffany Cameron and Alika Keene, right? Now guys, these 2 Reggae girls would have a couple of days ago won the Hungarian Cup, right? The Hungarian Cup in Hungary. That is the cup competition that these 2 girls would have won. If you remember, sir, right, this is the second time Tiffany Cameron is winning the award, or winning the trophy rather, right? Not the award, winning the trophy, right? So again, it's good to see Reggae girls, over in Europe winning major European silverware. Tiffany won it last season for the club that she was with last season, a different club, Ferencváros, right? Big club. And now she's on a different team and she has won it again. And she and Alika Keene, the 2 Reggae girls, play for the same team, Eto FC, right? And they have been crowned Hungarian Women's Cup champions. They defeated Victoria One Love in the final. So congrats to both Reggae girls. A couple days late, but better late than never. I kept on forgetting to big up these particular Reggae girls for their, title-winning cup campaign over there in Hungary. So guys, again, smash the like button for Kemar, Roofe. Smash the like button for Khadija Bunny Shaw. Smash the like button for Tiffany Cameron and Alika Keene. And smash the like button for Formula's Fresh Cut Scene. Ladies watching, if you want to scream, feel free to scream. Scene. Now that the girls have commenced screaming, it's good to report. It's good to report good news. It's good to be able to report good news, guys, on our reggae boys, on our reggae girls, all across the world. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Knock up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Free and easy ways to support the channel, free and easy ways to give the youth some strength. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And until next time.